All right, people, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a real quick one. This is gonna be a bug fix for Danny TTS. So for the people who do use Danny TTS or use Danny TTS, most of you would have noticed that after some updates, Danny did not work anymore. It worked, but it still had issues and it broke and well, it didn't work, right? Well, we fixed it. Finally, we got some fun. We found some time and we fixed it. Now, I will provide you with two options. Um, that will fix it. The choice is up to you which one you want to use. There is a brand new install video coming soon. So this is for the people also who do not use TTS or Danny TTS yet, but want to use it. And instead of them doing the previous videos and then this bug fix, um, I'm gonna make a new video for fresh install. But in the meantime, for the people who do use it and it broke and you still want to use it, here is your bug fix. And also, quick note: Danny TTS will be moved over to Kovi instead of its.io. With that being said, guys, let's hop over to this screen over here and let me show you what to do. All right, so we use Danny TTS and it is broken. I noticed. I did not know. I mean, yes, I knew it was broken. You guys came to me like, hey man, something is up with Danny. Yeah, Danny got a stroke. So how can we fix this? Well, I have two options here, and let me explain what is happening. So streamer, no, not speakerbot, changed something, and this is why it breaks. Because the way we did it before is where we saved audio files, yeah, and to determine the time that Danny needed to be on screen. And then after that, it deleted the audio file, and with that, Danny was going off screen. So it was perfect timing. You're never good have the timing wrong. Yeah, they removed that. So now they say it was a workaround, but in my opinion, I don't know. It wasn't a workaround. It was a perfect way to do it. So, but yeah, it's their choice. It's their program. I have my doubts on them sometimes, but all right. So we had to fix that, and they came with some options where yeah, not gonna do that. They said this is easier and simpler than we did it before with file watching. That's not the way I did it. Is even faster. All right, so I provide you with two options. I'm gonna do the first one first, and this is a width. So we're gonna import this one. This is the one, the version 0, yeah, version 1.0.9 with save TTS as a WAV file. So this will still save the file, but it will no longer delete the file. It will save it in case you want to use it. Yeah, it's nice. I don't know if you have TTS and you want, you know, oh man, this is fun, nice. Or you could convert it into a channel point if someone has something nice to say or something. You know what? That's why I kept it in there. So we're gonna do this one first. So we're gonna go import. Now, if you still use the old Danny and you still have it in here, you technically don't have to import it. But yeah, I recommend just deleting that, then import this, and it should all work fine. Because it's not really touching anything regardless to Danny. It only touches stuff related to the save file and stuff. All right, so with this, we used to have here a option that said delete file. Yeah, the end trigger, the last trigger that was going to be deleting the file for Danny. Yeah, that one we deleted. So we don't need that anymore. We are now using this still. The rest is still the same, except over here we did some changes. All we did was changing this 500 delay milliseconds to 2200 milliseconds of a delay. And this is for the exact time of 240 characters, like we have here. Now, if you have 144 characters, for example, you have to calculate the milliseconds time you wanted on screen. But 240, 22,000 milliseconds is perfect. You could make it 21, but yeah, I don't know. I like the 22. It's nice. Sorry. So yeah, that is technically all you have to do is change that 500 to 22 and delete the other trigger that was there from 1.7 1.07 and 1.08 where it said like delete audio file or something. Delete that trigger, that action, and change this right there, and you are good to go. That's the problem. I'm not gonna go in detail what they all changed because that doesn't matter. All that matters now is that we get Danny working for you guys. So this is the first one. So this one, of course, will save your WAV file. And you probably already have this set. If not, it's okay. Then you probably want to use this one and wait for the new install tutorial. So the new install, and then we of course have this option. This is without the save file for the audio. So then you can see we also do not have the other one that is in here. Let me get rid of it real quick. Let me import the other one. Yeah, so this one we do no longer have. This trigger, the speaker bot TTS finish trigger, because we don't use that anymore. We are we're not using the failsafe anymore. So what this one does is actually make sure that after Danny has spoken, then it will wait 2200 seconds, and then it will do that. Now I may fine tune this a little bit, but that is basically the gist of it. Now we could, because this one doesn't allow me to have a delay on it, go here in speaker bot. That doesn't, oh here, speaker bot, and then go here and speak, and then add a delay here, and then do, I don't know, blah 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 blah, and blah 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 blah, doesn't matter. And then it will have a delay, speak and wait. But yeah, well, we're not doing that. Maybe I'll change that once I do the actual install tutorial, the new one. I have to figure out on how that works exactly. But for now, this is the best way to do it. Now, personally, of course, personally, I use this one with the file save. So then, if now everything is working like it should, we should get this. Let me go here. Let me go here. Danny, go here. And then if we do this, everything should work.
Lorem ipsum dolor sit amet, consectetur adipishing ilit. Fusce veicula, felis nec efficitur malesuada, est quam fringilla eros, sed luctus odio nislut nisi. Integer vite libero a cirisus e gestas placerat. Donec vite orci nec velit tempo.
So yeah, you can see that that works. And I can show the audio file. Yeah, I can, but yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter. And yeah, so I really hope that that this helped, guys. And I hope to see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching, and the smart has finally fixed me.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'll yeah, that was the broken part. Now you can see it's not, it takes a little longer for him to get off screen, but that is, we are not using the full 240 characters. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna make sure this one is uploaded. I am going to get myself ready for the live stream I'm about to do. And for the people who are interested in the live stream today, Well, we are going to continue working on a horror game I've been working on. I still have to update the plugin. But yeah. So, guys, I will see you back on. There you go. I'll see you back in another video. And hopefully on stream, I will just. I'm not going to edit this one. I'm just going to get it on my main PC because I don't have myself logged in on YouTube on the stream PC. And I'm going to upload it. And then hopefully I'll see you guys in a few on Twitch. Twitch.tv/freaksheeptv. With that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoy. And I hope Danny is working again. And stay tuned for a update. That will be 1.1.0. I got some ideas. I don't know when this is coming out, but right at the moment that it is. What the fuck was that? Okay. Right at the moment that it is coming out, I'll probably also have some new stuff with Danny, maybe some edits, maybe some changes and all that stuff. But let me say, guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one or on stream. Twitch.tv/freaksheeptv. We will be there probably when this video is uploaded. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.